Hey guys. Wow, it's a butter squishy? Well, yes, today we're gonna be reviewing the butter squishy. So I got mine off of Amazon and it's actually pretty good. The reason why I think you should get it off of Amazon, one, I got it like a few days ago. And when I bought it off of Amazon and it said it would come on April 2nd. It came today. So that is like a green flag. But the only point of the butter squishy is to squish it. So let's squish it. We're gonna do some ASMR. Oh. And it rises up pretty quickly too. To be honest, I'd rate this like a solid 9. The reason why I'd rate it a 9 out of 10 because it rips so easily. I already had to like glue it down. So yeah, make sure to get your butter squishy now. Bye.